Okay, part 2 when we're in a new book. There we go. So, peace, loves, and subscribe. Like and subscribe if you haven't already.